You can also easily password protect your database files from within Microsoft Access. So to do that, first of all, you need to open up your database file in exclusive mode. And to do that, you need to go to the file menu right here. And once you go to the file menu, you can click on open, click on browse. And over here, you have to select the database file that you want to open. And over here, you can see open is an option where you have to click and select open exclusive. So you have to do this in order to set password for your database. So I'm going to go around into file and I'm going to go to info, and then here you can see encrypt with password is an option. Once you click on it, you get the dialog box right here where you have to enter your password. So I'm just going to go around, enter a simple password, press OK, and what happens is that password is set for this particular database. So if I were to go around and close this now, and if I were to go to file and open out this very database, what happens is that it asks for the database password, as you can see. So if I were to type in a wrong password and press OK, it says it's not a valid password. So you have to press OK to get the dialog box again, and you have to type in the correct password to actually access out the content in the database, as you can see. If you want to remove out the password, you have to first close this again and open up the database file again in exclusive mode. So if I were to go around and open this up in exclusive mode right here, it asks for password again. So I'm going to go around and type in the password right here. And then you need to go around into file, into info, and over here you can see decrypt database is an option. So you have to click on this, and once you do that, you have to type in the password right here and press OK, and what happens is that the password is unset. So if I were to go around and close this and go to file and open the database again, now you can see that it opens normally and the password is not there anymore. And that is how you can work around with password protection inside of databases in Microsoft Access.